Hey everyone, I just want to do a quick tutorial on my eyelashes. This is the before, it's strip eyelashes. Let me know if you like it. Subscribe please, thank you.
Hey everybody, I just want to do a quick tutorial on eyelashes from the Dollar Tree. I mean, hey, everybody else is ordering from all these places online and paying all this money. I'm just see what these dollar lashes are talking about. I do have other ones that came from Amazon. You see, it's like a whole set. I think that's like 2 rows of just straight lashes. I don't tore the box up, but those were salon eyelashes. Salona eye splashes. It was like 70 pieces, so can't beat that. I might have paid near to nothing on that. Sorry, y'all. Stuff just not went right. So if I could open this. Oh yeah. Next, me and my family we use hair glue to put on the lashes. So test what glue works for you. If you like this video, I definitely can do more, and I would appreciate if you guys subscribe. And I'll be going cockeyed in my videos. Let's see which one is which. I never used this kind, so I don't know how this is gonna go. But we're gonna figure out together. Oh yeah, my next favorite thing. I got this a long time ago. It came with
Some eyelashes that I bought, and I think I bought like a whole bunch of packs just because I like the little tool. So we're just gonna see how flexible these are. I should have set up because like I didn't do nothing. I don't know how long. Is this supposed to go that way? I would cut it off. Ooh, it fell off. So great. I didn't have to worry about that. I got shit in my eye. Crust in my eye and stuff. Stuff's just not right. Yeah, so normally I would try to cut it. I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just trying to get it on. Next, I need something to get this damn glue on it with. Almost had it together. Almost had it. But we'll get there. We'll just dig through the unnecessary makeup bag and find something. I got something. Forget that. I'm not gonna waste time. I do got something. I promise. What do I normally use is the question. Move eyelash. Move the eyelash. Set it down. If I was better in order, I would show you guys how I'm set up, but I ain't gonna do that. Okay, so I found something. I'm using just like a wooden stick. See, so cute. I use this for everything. I think it's a nail thing. Push your cuticles back. But today it's gonna be an applicator for my black hair glue. So I got this light on, so that's why my mouth's shiny looking, and kind of making me sweat. What I want to do is just put this on. If it's crooked or I get glue somewhere, I'll fix that later. That'll be a whole different issue. So I'll just try to place mine as close as possible to the hair. Just apply pressure. It's a big eyelash. I really should have cut it, but I'm just gonna push this shit down. Oh, what the heck? What is that? The glue? Or hair? Mm-mm. Yeah, I don't like how it seemed like it was all in my eye. Well, one down. It's like glue already on my tool. And it looks like glue is right here. But I could deal with that. The faces you make when you put on makeup. Oh yeah, that's glue. Got it. Cool. Okay. Now, let's see what this other one's gonna look like. Dollar Tree. Do me good. Dollar Tree. I'm just starting to go to Dollar Tree and get stuff. This is crazy. She don't get the hell out of here with that fingerling. Fingerlings. They get on my nerves. They make the weirdest noise, like those little Furby toys. Doop doop, dip dip. Drip drip. Came through dripping. I'm like, see, look, I can't say nothing around here because kids are always listening. And, oops, I just sung that little part and I could hear her in there talking about drip drip. What she know about drip drip? Drip drip spilling juice juice. That's what kids do. So I just put a lot of glue because I want them to stay on. But I'm going to at the same time touch it. Oh, can you see that? I mean, I don't know. It's a good little layer of glue. And as you can see on the first one, I think I got glue like in the corner of my eye. But
I swear I'm not that good with the left one. Push it hard. Could be just me though, like where I try one, when my eyes are watering. Can't take the blue. I can't take the shot. I like blue. This is the blue light. But I know this one is not pushed on. I told you I got stuff in my eye. This one's not on at all. Or something. Oh, okay. Push, baby, push. Push, baby, push. Oh, yeah, see, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. will find something to fix it. I guess the hard part is getting them on in place, but this is not about to go down like that. Alright. I need reinforcement. I never really had this happen. But I'm just gonna assume it's my glue. It's the glue. It ain't me. Or the lashes. I can't even blame it on the lashes because I know it's the glue. I done had that glue a while. Sorry, y'all, gotta wipe the glue string out of my eye. I'm really used to putting them on with a mirror, just holding it up to my face like I was just doing, but I'm trying to show y'all what these dollar lashes talking about. So yeah, got my lashes on. I will show a before and after. Normally what I do is just get some kind of a black eyeliner. I don't even know the brand it is, and just go all the way around my eyes, darken it up, and it'll help the glue blend in. But definitely eyeliner, something will go on there. It's early in the morning, so I didn't want to put that on. But yeah, and check out these edges, y'all. Oh yeah, excuse this. This is not an eyebrow ring, but I haven't had one in months, and it kind of closed, so my hole was little, so I had to take an earring to keep in there, hold it open. I'm gonna try to ease it open. Whew. But yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I can't complain. Not mad at all. Dollar Lashes by LA Colors. Drama lashes. Next time I do my other brand, I'll let you guys know. Please subscribe. I'm just trying to get my material up. I'm a new channel. I've had my YouTube for so long, and I just want to put it to use
and enjoy what I do. Hope y'all like it.